So this is exactly how I was able to fix Rust crashing on startup. So firstly we need to go into Steam here as you can see and then click on library and then find Rust right here and then just right click on it, and then the first thing we need to do is to click on manage and click on browse local files, and then it should now take you to this page right here. So on this page just scroll down until you can see rust.exe file here. So just click on it and then right click on show more options, and then click on properties here and then click on compatibility. So for some reason, I don't know why, but this one was toggled on for me. So I had to toggle this one off and then click on apply and click on OK. I had to do the same for the Rust client. So I had to click on it here and then right click and then click on show more options. Then click on properties, compatibility, and untick this one as well and click on apply and OK. There is one more thing we need to do as well, by the way, and that is to go back to this page here, right click on Rust, and then you need to click on properties and installed files here. So you need to verify integrity of game files here. This might take a while, by the way, if this is the first time you're doing it. So just wait for this one to complete this process. After it's done, you need to also restart your computer. So when it's done, just click on like a Windows symbol here. If you have one, click here. And then you need to actually just restart it here as you can see. So restart it and then go back and try once again. And hopefully now it's gonna be fixed for you as well.